Okay, what year is it?
2014.
And are you too old for Easter?
No.
No.
Okay.
That's why I have a basket.
What are you about to do?
Hunt for Easter eggs.
Okay, ready? Get steady. Go.
What's this? Hey, Mom, is this Bowser ruler supposed to be here?
Yeah, that's yours.
Easter egg! It's all mine! Ah! It's all mine!
Put them in your basket.
I found an egg. I found like a small thing already.
Okay.
Oh, egg. Egg? That was easy. It's some! Ooh, good one.
You know, put them in your basket. You're not going to be able to
Oh,
carry
wow,
them.
I didn't